Matapos sungkilin ang huling pwesto sa Final Four ng UAAP Season 87 Men's Basketball, matinding pagsubok na naman ang haharapin ng Adamson Soaring Falcons. Halos milagro kasi ang kakailanganin nila upang mapatalsik mula sa trono ang De La Salle University Green Archers. Ano naman kaya ang masasabi ni Coach Nash Racela at ng kanyang kupunan upang mapagtagumpayan ito? Yan ang ulat ni teammate Rafael Bandayrel.
Butas ng karayom ang pinagdaanan ng Adamson Soaring Falcons upang mapasa kamay nila ang natitirang pwesto sa Final Four ng UAAP Season 87 Men's Basketball. Pero dito pa lamang nagsisimula ang pinakamatinding hamon ng kanilang kampanya. Iyan ay dahil makakatapat nila ang top seed De La Salle University Green Archers na may twice to beat advantage. Sa elimination stage, ibinaon ng La Salle ang Adamson sa 30 puntos na pagkakatambak noong round 1, habang 25 points naman ang kanilang abante kontra Adamson noong round 2. Sa kabila nito, nangako si Falcons head coach Nash Racela na hindi na ito mauulit sa Final Four.
Well, the good thing about it is we don't have to bring it to the Final Four. No, we just need to touch that. So that's the same mentality naman, no? Sabi namin, next game will be different. So hopefully we give them a challenge. Hopefully we beat them.
Para naman sa standout ng Adamson na si Matthew Montebon, matinding paghahanda ang susi upang makasungkit sila ng upset kontra sa defending champions.
I think first off it starts with our preparation. Coach Nash always yells at us at practice for our laziness in practice, or including myself not being focused all throughout the duration of practice. So I would just say, just to start, just be more focused on the little details in practice and just the preparation that we have going into our next game.
Sa Sabado na aarangkada ang Final Four phase ng UAAP Men's Basketball kung saan maghaharap ang UST Growling Tigers at UP Fighting Maroons sa unang laro ng doubleheader na susundan naman ng bakbakan sa pagitan ng Adamson at DLSU. Rafael Bandayrel para sa Pambansang TV sa Bagong Pilipinas.